Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a squared sign symbol in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert a squared sign symbol in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Equation. Then go to the Design menu and click Function. Otherwise you can select the script and choose the superscript. Then write X, then write 2. Then go back the home menu and remove the underlined. Now we can see here we insert a squared sign symbol very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.